Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse for the parking lights is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses related to good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad, all we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that guys to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Parking lights fuse guys, where you can expect to find it. If you have a problem with parking lights not working after replacing a bulb or parking lights assembly, we have a special video that explains why headlight does not work on Dodge Ram. It could be the same reason why park lights do not work. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel. Open the hood. Here under the hood guys, on the driver's side, you see that cover right in front of the car battery here guys. Okay, it has two notches. Press them, open it, and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, which fuse we need to check for the parking lights. By the way, you have many different kinds of fuses in that Dodge Ram. We will recommend guys to always keep some spares. One time we needed a replacement fuse. We couldn't get one because we were in the middle of nowhere. They're hard to find and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to keep some spare ones. The fuse that you need to check for the parking lights, you see these two fuses? It's that one right here. That's known as fuse number 10. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.